This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, I'm going to get to the charts in just a minute. Testing 1, 2, 3. Gotta just do my quick sound check. Make sure there's no echo. James G, I can see on my cell phone James G showed up. That's pretty cool. Good morning! What a great morning. Sounded like Oprah there, eh? Where's my mic setting set? You know what? I'm going to bring it up a bit. It's too quiet. Let's wake it up. There we go. We're going to redline it. Plus, I want some music. Yeah, that's much better. A little quiet music in the background. Okay, I'm going to use my trade copier today. What do you think of that? On the most dangerous day, I'm going to get back to trying to use my trade copier. And why? Because I had an epiphany. Oh, you picked that up, eh? I mean, the audio picked that up. Yeah, if the trade copier fucks up, I have it here right in front of me on my screen in front. Sound is good. Don't need it anymore in my ear. Check for echoes. If it fucks up, I'm just going to shut it down. I'm just going to close it, and then I'll manage whatever I have. Perfect plan. I did good last night also. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's up there. 11:57. I'm very good in these markets here. Or my system is very good. It does very well. But I just got to figure out my size, and I got to print that up. So, spaghetti-o. You see what almost happened? I am too quick. Hey, actually, is my mic over here? Let me see. Yeah, I still have a mic. Mr. James, I just almost flashed my credit card information on the screen. Let me actually close down that file that's opened. I have a file open that has that, so let's get rid of it. So that won't happen again. And now we can come back. Split screen. Screens don't look so pretty anymore. I don't like them. I have to fix them. Not now. Not now. What do I got to do? Oh, I got to print out my... I'm going to go for it a little bit today also, actually. I don't know if you're following my journey, but my kids watch me very closely. So I have to run it by them so they know it's not impulsive. So it was already ran by them. Alex he's here, actually. He might even be coming down and try and sit with me while I do it. That's how much they're aware of it. So file, print, selection. That's my go for it numbers. Hopefully it all prints out. And then my standard numbers I need. Let me take a full screenshot. I need to know what my standard numbers are. Yeah, can you believe it? This is how I have to get organized every morning. Otherwise, I screw up. I forget what I'm doing, how I'm doing. And then I say, holy shit, why didn't you follow your plan? Well, I didn't have my plan in front of me. Since it got mildly revised, I'm going to print it. I mean, not... The numbers didn't get revised. There was a few things that were added as instructions. Copy, paste. One of them, James, you're going to laugh. Not to trade after stream because you want to... Can you believe it? That little voice inside of me, that little gambling voice, keeps saying, close the stream, close the stream. As soon as you're off stream, you can do something stupid. You can go 10x. You can go 5x the size. And I've done it a few times. So no more trading after stream. Now it's all on stream. Look, there's a problem. That's how you fix it. Yeah, is that funny or what, eh? I can't tell you how many times I would close down the stream and within under a minute, instead of taking a 3 lot, I'd take a 30 lot. David caught me. It was last week sometime. I blew an account. He says, hey, shut it down. But I did. It was easy to shut down. So I was happy about that. I didn't, feel bad. And then I made a really shitty mistake. I think it was on Thursday or Friday. A little bit of an impulsive trade and stuff. So again, shut it down. I shut it down. I completely even the stream. If I don't trade like I'm supposed to trade, I'm closing down everything, including the stream. I'll find other work to do. I'll do programming. I'll find something. To hell with it. That is my punishment. Print. Okay. 4-leaf clover. I don't know what that means. Maybe it means good luck for the Irish traders out there. And hopefully we'll go for Cocobec tomorrow. I'm in the mood. I'll tell you my diet. I worked on it with ChatGPT. And yes, I have water. I'm having more water now. Drinking water when you're not thirsty seems counterintuitive. Give me a second, I'll be back. Oh, wait, I'm going to grab a screen from here and copy it so I can have both of them. Copy. Oh, I know what I'm going to bring onto that screen. I like that. This is a good screen to have as an emergency screen. Paste. Duplicate. So I can put that up. That's good enough, right? And just to keep you guys entertained, copy. There you go.
Te veo en la esquina con esa actitud divina. Sabes que no debemos, pero igual lo hacemos. Me he distraído, pero estoy bendecido. Cada vez que llegas, eso te ve en la cabeza. Every night at 12, I lose my fucking mind. Babe, I'm bushy, can't leave you behind. Every night at 12, breaking all the rules. Everybody's teaching that you ain't get go. Got me acting crazy, baby, I'm not losing. Only good with me, baby. Peaceful, I'll be here for you. Can't stop this feeling, my heart is feeling. Pasar en jet. No me importa nada cuando estás en mi mirada. Los minutos pasan y las reglas se traspasan. Es una locura, pero vale la factura. Midnight is my school, y el momento es perfecto.
We don't need it that loud, just loud enough in my ears. I think I'm back. I hope I'm back. Let me see. Sound test. See. Working. So, how am I going to trade copy? I should have had that organized before. This sheet needs to be done differently. No point in jumping in if I'm not prepared yet, eh? You normal. Hey, I have lots of news to tell you, eh, James? Print screen. Lots of news. Big news too, not little news. I think that deserves bacon on the pizza on Tuesday. What do you think? James left. Okay, Paint Shop Pro. Close. It's the only way I'm going to print it all on one page. Do a screenshot. Good. One word. What's good? I don't know what you're talking about. Maybe you're 5 sentences back. There's a time delay. Good that I have stories. Good that we're going for pizza on Tuesday. Good that there's going to be bacon on it. I'm certain it's because you wrote good for the bacon. Anyways, we'll do half-half. It's going to be my last one. I mean, you know what I mean when I say it's going to be my last one. I don't mean my last one forever, but, you know, it's not going to be a regular thing. But fuck off to no bacon. Absolutely bacon. It's the last treat. Hey, oh yeah. I'll tell you another thing also, but not now. File. Don't worry, I won't forget them. These are like I got a tattoo on the back of my neck. It's that kind of stuff, so I won't forget it. Page setup. I like the song. File. Print. Okay. So, if I'm going to be going super aggressive on the 250K, which I'm not, I'm just saying. Wow, that's not even super aggressive. That's, I mean, super aggressive. It's not super aggressive on the aggressive chart. It's 54 lots. But I think I'm going to be doing 27. I think I'm going to give myself 4 trades to busting, and I'm going to try to pass the accounts. Anyways, I told Alex, come down, sit with me, keep me company. So, we'll see what happens. But I got to figure it out. I'm going to set up my trade tops here for 2 or 3. Once I do that, I don't know what I'm saying. Hold on, I gotta fix my time. It's not in the right place. My screen is all jarbled. Where the fuck is my time? Oh, there you are. Oh, I'm on delay, that's why. How the hell am I gonna try and fix it when you're on delay? I gotta use the live screen. Look at the time dancing across the screen to the music. Yeah, that was fun. It's here somewhere. There we go. Okay, good enough. Time reference. That's funny. It says time reference and it says it's locked. If it's locked, how am I able to move it? Someone try to explain that to me. One more second. Gotta do something. Sorry. That's just how life is. Okay, I'm back. Hey, you know what? I should change that message. Hold on. There's nobody here right now anyway, so let me change the message. Don't need this message, the wrong message. Be right back. There we go. Okay, perfect. They're both good. Joker trades. I just saw on my screen you showed up, even though I'm not looking at my screens. That screen. It's not on this screen. How are you, Joker? Joker, I'm trading aggressive today. I'm going to try and pass some accounts. I took a look. I passed it by my kids, who knows, so I'm not going... They know I'm not going rogue. I'm not trading impulsive, but I have as many as... One setting allows me to go up to 57 micros. I don't think I'm going to do it. Well, yeah, hold on. I'm fixing some stuff up. I don't think I'm going to do it. I'm going to go a little bit less aggressive, of course, because you know I always chicken out. But, yep, I traded. That's a 50K account you see there at 1100. That was last night. I was trading 5 lots, $10 a point. So I got 150 points. Not really that difficult, right? I guess, given the volatility we had. Let me open up your room, Mr. Joker. Joker says he'll be starting soon. Soon is a subjective word. Okay. Let me think clearly. So I'm going to trade on my 50K account. My 50K account is going to do 5 lots. We want to watch the opening drive play, so I got to set up my strategies. We're going to do the opening drive on 102. Let's get 102 up here. Sim 102. I want to watch Crude. I want to track fair value gaps. And the inside bar. Do I still want to do the inside bar? Nah, I'm getting rid of the inside bar. Remove. I don't have stats on it. And last time I took a trade and it cost me a lot of money. That's for Nasdaq on the 1 minute. So, hey, only futures trading. Man, this day will be dangerous. I was going to write it in chat. Good morning. Today is going to be a very dangerous day. And then right under that, I was going to write good morning. Today is a day full of opportunity. Yeah, no, these are my kinds of days, to be honest with you. So I'm going to be trading aggressively. Just not sure exactly. $700 points at PM. Was it? Yeah, I didn't even look yet. Crazy, eh? And we saw both sides of the Asian session. Which means, theoretically or statistically, we have an 80% chance of getting back down to 16,500. I'm sized down to 1/10, and I'm sizing up to 5 to 10x. Hey, the markets don't give you opportunity like this too often. And to be honest with you, I traded on Friday a little bit off stream in the afternoon. I had almost no losers. And I traded last night too, and I had almost no losers. What I do is I get slippages if I chase. If I get an entry and I chase. But because of this crazy volatility, I'm able to wait for a better price than actually what my charts are signaling. So, oh, and I widened my stop from 14 to 24. So I added 10 points to my stop. My targets are wider also. My targets went from minimum 7 to now minimum 12 points. And I'm putting in an emergency stop. Actually called emergency. Let's see what it's at. Hold on, it should be 25 points minimum, so it should be 100. Wow, I put it in at 80. No, 80 points. 40 points, that's too much. 12, 24, let's say 30 points. I'll do 120. That's an emergency stop. Okay. But yeah, definitely want to have an emergency stop in. I don't want, we had a power failure yesterday. Had a power failure on Friday too also. No bias, no bias. Yeah, no bias is getting my way. No more biases for me. Just look at the charts. Right now, charts say sell. I'm selling. The chart, if we get a little bit of a reversal and it starts to trade higher, and my charts say start going long, I'll start going long. Take my stops. All good. Let's do a test trade with my trade copier. So who am I copying to? I want to copy to. I got another account for this experiment actually. In case I really do hope that comes down. I really do. On. We're not crossing in the ratio. Let's just try a ratio of 5 to 1. Not 500. 5 to 1. I need to keep my screen on positions. And I'll wait for the next setup and we'll see if it copies properly. $17,500 is the gap fill. Yep, that's a possibility. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. I have that up. Yeah, you can see MNQ 15-minute in the top corner. Right now we got swing highs that are higher swing highs, and higher swing lows. So on the 1-minute chart, on the 15-minute chart, that's a bullish pattern. On MNQ, on the 1 minute, we have a lower swing high that was put in, but we have higher swing low, so it's kind of like we're getting into a little bit of an apex here. And let's see which way it breaks. Based on the 15-minute, most likely will break to the upside. Got something like that. Under 16,500, I'm not catching the knife. No, I take short-term trades, so I'm good. I'm flexible either way. I'm going back to my old way. Not watching levels. All this levels and contacts and it's driving me nuts again. And I'm jazzed. Friday and last night was just my old way of trading. So let me make sure I have the accounts right, because God knows I make mistakes. Accounts. I'm going to do a 1 lot for a test, and it should copy a 5 lot. Is there somewhere I can put up a positions thing? Right here. Okay, well, we might get it's 921. I could take a sell. Yeah, let's try it out. There we go. 1 and 5. Perfect. Let's go for about 12 points. So it shorted 4. Oh my God, I got to get out of this trade. I'm 5 points worse. Forget about a good price. Okay, anyways, given that this was a test, let me just put in an exit order and hopefully get out. That's good enough for me. Order canceled. Okay, so it looked like it worked. Hey, D-Gens, what chip? What chip? I brought out the big motherfucking bat today. You know what? Let's copy to another account. I'm copy trading. Can you believe? And I'm increasing my size by 5x or 10x. I'm not sure yet. I'm hoping Alex comes down on a day like today, because you know what? This is the days that I wait for. No point in pussyfooting. Let's see if we can get some stuff done today. Let's pick another account. But right now I'm just testing my trade copier before the market opens, because I want to have a way. I want to be prepared when it fucks up, because I know it's going to fuck up. So I want to know what I do. Do I click the flatten button? Do I remove? Do I do off? You know what? That's a test. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. Let me do another 1 lot. Let's add an account. Add an account. 1 ratio. No ratio. Positions. Okay, let's get the unrealized out here, so you guys can see all the trades happening, or maybe not. Yeah, if they're all red or if they're all green. So I'm in positions, and what do I want to do? I want to take a long. There we go, long, get a better price. I got a better price. The 3 are in. Doesn't matter if I win or lose. So now let me click off. Yeah, I could turn them off. Look at that. See, I don't even mind losing. I just want to figure out how this works. So if I go up, now what happens if I put them back on? If I put them back on, and let me see, let it hit the stop. Normally I would care, but shit, this amount of... Do they all have a stop in? Let me go check my orders. Orders. Okay, looks like they all had it in, and they're all out. Okay, everything is working. Cool. That cost me $307 on the... Wow, nice. That's fun. 2 micros. That's $1,200. Okay, where's my son Alex? If Alex comes down here, it's going to be a quiet because I don't like when I yap too much, so I'm not going to be talking too much. But to have Alex here should be a real treat. And he's in the house. He's in the house! Alex, hold on, let me turn off my mic.
They say love and hate are 2 sides of the same coin we ride. So now we flip it and let it spin, see which side we're in. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. You know you feel it like this feeling, then you let it roll. Let's hide this feeling, never buy, I know this bit, so just sit with me one and all. Game mama, we both with like this, nothing they can. Let the smooth and deacon. Manos temblando, backstage waiting, hearts racing faster, no hesitating. Primera vez en el barrio, mi momento necesario. Deep breaths, tell myself you got this, 10 años de práctica. Now the streets are back, ya. Mi familia en los photos, rezando por su hijo, yo. The speakers bumping loud, the ritmo spreading through the crowd. From corners to the rooftops, la música won't ever stop. Gritando mi nombre, hey, hey, making these streets my home. Mi gente gritando mi nombre, never performing alone. Mi gente gritando, dale. From Villa to here we've grown. Mi gente, mi gente, mi gente. This block party's where I belong. First beat drops, nerve feels gone. Energy rising like the sun. The flow natural, automático. Move at the beat, it's magic. Every face I see smiling. Years of doubt, now they're dying. Started in my basement, now the whole block's amazing. Dancing, jumping, living. It's a no trick, just beginning. Remember writing verses late at night. Mama saying bye, volumen. Now she's far away, eyes so bright. Boulevard, we're moving.
Escucho el llamado del tiempo en cada nota que tiento. Mi sangre baila por dentro al ritmo del instrumento. Encontré nel attico un sonido magico, poi la sto tossino, moving sopra marico. Ancient mood is singing while my mind is ringing. Con este ritmo latino that keeps my soul believing. Melody ancestral, making my heart race shout. Feel it in my bones now, does it do this out loud? Cada movimiento takes me way back when no sito el momento. En gas and present blend flow. El sonido antiguo en mis venas. The rhythm flowing through generations. El sonido antiguo, legendas. The music breaking all limitations. El sonido antiguo en mis venas. The power of my ancestors gone. El sonido antiguo, legenda. Towards the light and now we're falling. Feel the strings vibrating, ancient sounds creating patterns in my mind now, legacy defining. Beats can make connecting, rhythms that protect us. Moving through the ages while tiempo me afecta. I guess I'm in my past now, making this our last now. Simple la magia, rising through the sound now. Every string I'm playing, gets my heart praying. Para mis ancestors while the beat is slaying. Voices del pasado, calling through time. Sangre, sonido, your story and mine. Antiguo, antiguo, through the ages we flow. Antiguo, antiguo, let the ancient sound show.
Well, we don't have hyper volatility, but we have good volatility. So, what do I want to do? You know what? I know what I want to do. I want to change you to 233. Boom. I'm going to change you. I'm leaving that 1100 that I made. Wow. Okay, the copy trade. Somebody just went short. Opening drive, sorry. Okay, let me figure out the ratios. I'm gonna go super pussy. 5 lots is my original size. Just to let you know. Make sure everything's right. And then I'm going to copy trade to 2 accounts. It's going to be a test. One of them is going to be at 3 and then the other one at 4. Interesting. But you know what? Let's just tone it down just a bit for the beginning to make sure it's working. 2 and 3. Okay, ready to go. 1, 2, and 3. Get on positions. If it goes out of sync. Wow, look at that. So opening drive's taking a little bit of a hit right now. 5, and I'll go down to 4. I'll go down to 3 in the beginning. And just to make sure, so it's going to be a 3 lot, a 6 lot, and a 9 lot if I get an entry. Got an entry. 3 lot. Nope. It did a 3 lot. Oh, didn't close them. Flatten, flatten. See that? Flatten, flatten, flatten all. There we go. It really didn't work on the first trade. How's that for stupidity? Didn't work on the first trade. Don't get roasted. Roast? No, I don't get roasted in this kind of volatility. Only entries. I got an entry there. That entry would have been killer. It fucked up. It's supposed to be 3 lots, and then the multiplier is 2 and 3. So 3 lot, a 6 lot, and a 9 lot. It did a 3 lot, a 6 lot, and a 10 lot. Go figure. You know what? So let me close the copier. Maybe it's remembering old shit. Open up the copier. Here's my copier. Now I put it over here. That's over there. On. Let's reset it again. 2 and 3. Confirm everything. The instrument, MNQ, 06. I'm watching. Ha, I missed a losing trade. How's that? The day's going good. What? I have a loser. Holy shit. You see that? How crazy it is? One of them's a loser. Oh my goodness, my goodness. Can you see all of them? There's the trade copier for you in action. Let me get it up. I took one trade. You have to see this. You have to see this. I took one trade with the trade copier. The original account that's trading the smallest size made 164. The account trading the largest size made 471. The account trading the medium size, which is the two multiplier, lost 200. Yeah, go explain that to me. Well, let's try again. Go explain that to me. Fucking retarded. It's a good thing I don't care. I'm just practicing. Kind of. Oh, wait. What did I say? Let's do a 2-lot again. I got an entry. Did I get a worse price? 96. 96 and a quarter. I'm good. Let's see. I got my buy-in. Go to orders. Make sure all the orders are in. 2, 4, and 6. Okay, the size is right. Oh my God. Okay, cancel all the orders. That was good. Positions, all good. So that one worked. Let's say way to go, Apex. Your trade copier can work once. Let's wait for the next trade. No, I'm not going to get roasted, Apex. If I follow my rules, I told you. I traded on Friday in the afternoon, and I did great. And then I traded yesterday in the evening. I did great. I had almost no losers. So for today, 2 winners. If I do what I do, I'm in this volatility, I'm killer. As long as I follow my plan, don't get emotional. Opening drive trader is off? How did that happen? No, it's not off. It's still half at the 10 short. It never even... should still have the 10 short. Let's get back short. Okay, so let's see, 23, 30 points. Well, I'm a little bit kind of screwy. I'm 20 points off, but I just want it to follow, and I'll follow it. It should still be short. Only thing is not enabled is the reflux algo. I missed a trade. It would have been a winner. It's okay, I missed a trade. That would have been a loser. Wow, okay, well now I'm thinking I should be trading this size, but no, I'm supposed to go to 5 lots, so let's go to four lots. Or let's go to 5. I did say I was going to do it, but do I want to really risk 3 accounts? That's a lot of accounts to risk. Let's go to 3. I'm good with 3. I'll make a shit ton if I'm right, and then tomorrow I'll figure it out. Okay, I'm sitting up, eh? I'm ready. I'm in the zone. Coffee's good. Let's try some water. Yuck. Yuck. Okay, well, I have a 1-lot trade that I can kind of take. Let me see. Depends on what price. Nope. Now it's going into a 3-lot trade that I might have to do. 1, 2, 3. But it's right at the low of the U.S. session. So I'm not taking it. Reason not to take a trade. These are all going to be good trades, guys, because I don't want to fall in the hole with larger size. I mean, I don't mind. It's not the end of the world, but I want decent size retraces. I want like 50%, 60% retraces of, each impulse move. If I can get that, I'm happy to enter back in because I still have a lot of distance to get to the previous low or the previous swing. But here I'd be entering right now at the low, and yeah, it just went to full target in like a second. But Markets always find a reason. Oh, look at that. Look at it dump. Look at it dump. It's too bad. That would have been beautiful. So what did the opening drive trader get executed at? Let me tell you. Let me find the account. It looks like at 9 he went short at 883. Does that make sense? I guess so, eh? This didn't close below. Data box. The close is 910. The lower is 912. It should have entered at 920 at 931. Maybe it did. Let me look. Maybe I screwed things up. Boom, 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 boom. There it is. 7 and 10. Yep, at 931. Okay, that was the cover I was looking at. I guess when I clicked flatten all. When it flattens all, it flattened everything. So the entry is at 914. Well, 931. It went short at 16,914, which would go right there. Yeah, 16,913. Okay, we'll see how it goes. I didn't miss a trade through all that. Let me get back onto positions to make sure all is good. Short 10, that's the sim for opening drive. I got my finger on the cursor. And the two accounts are set. Okay, we're ready to go. No FOMO, no chasing. I actually wrote a rule for that. You want to know my new rules while we're waiting? No machine gunning in the opposite direction after a loss. Yes, I have a habit of doing that. I take a loss and then I go boom, 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 boom. And oh, wait, we might have a trade. No distractions. That was another rule. I'm actually going to sell market. Shit. Anyways, I'll let it go because I missed my entry. Oh, well, another winner, though. Another winner, but I missed my entry. I changed the size, and I was going to do 111. I don't know why my brain told me to do that, but anyways, no big deal. No big deal. It was another winner. I don't even know what size these accounts are. I mean, I kind of know. See you in a bit. I want to see who's getting roasted. No problem, wood chip. Yeah. Yes, Joker, if you can hear me, the moves are big. It's great for me. Lots of continuation. All I do is I hit singles and doubles with my eyes closed. I got 1,100 on one account, 900 on another account, 300 on one, and 94 on another. So 4 counts so far. I'm happy. Except my son was supposed to trade with me today. He's home. He's ignoring me. He's ghosting me. What chip is looking for dead bodies?
fronteras en el ritmo. When the beat move, we all move. Sin barreras, sin moves, just truth. From Miami to Madrid, we keep flowing. Coast to coast, the movement's growing. In la calle of the club, we unite. Breaking barriers every single night. They try to stop us, but we rise higher. We gente dancing through the fire. No passport needed when we rock. It's the remote breaks the deadlock. Feel it coming through.
Okay, wait for the next trade. What do we got? 10 o'clock reversal coming up soon, potentially.
Watch how fast these walls
First inside bar, probably lost money if I can see with the data box. Thank God I didn't take it. At least on the 1 minute chart. The high was 933. 933.75. First inside bar, it would have went long here and then just gotten completely cooked.
from the blocks to the world stage. Some música breaks.
Where's the first fair value gap though? I think this might even be the first one, and we filled it right away.
El ritmo makes our hearts beat as one. They can't control what we create. La música decides our fate. Every bullet turns to dust. When the people move as us.
Nah, I'm not crazy about this trade. I'm gonna get out of it. I gotta go to positions. Make sure everything is straight. Everything is straight. I should have held it, but my entry was bad, so I'm not gonna screw around. We get what we get.
Watch how fast these walls come down.
I think if I get up to like 500 or 600 on the original account there, it's a 50K account, the one that's 237. If I get that to 500 or 600, I think I'm gonna stop.
Music breaks down every wall. Let's go.
Oh, that's what's happening.
Let the rhythm speak true.
Okay, I see there's a problem. In the meantime, I missed a trade, but it was a fast one.
No way from
It was a fast one, and there'll be a lot of fast trades. Average range of the 1 minute candles is 70 points, boys and girls. 70 points. Yes, that's dangerous, but also full of opportunity. Dangerous, but full of opportunity. As long as I sit at the tip of my chair, ready for anything. I know what I'm going to do with my copier in case it fucks up. We're going up. We're going to touch VWAP.
Strings and drums make it complete. Cast to present, watch me spin. Where my journey will begin. Cuerdas cantan melodías, taking me to otros días. Feel the rhythm in my blood, moving like a rising flood. Bailando through the centuries, connecting souls set them free. Bailando, bailando conmigo. Ancient riddles make me whole. Bailando, bailando mi gente. Moving through space and time. Bailando, bailando contigo. Mi pasado calls to me through the sounds of history, string by string and beat by beat, making past and present me. By the sing, but I'll let the music take you far. Feel the strings begin to play as the centuries fade away. Oh yeah, escucha.
Go, let's go.
Listen to the strings unfold.
Good enough.
Every story being told.
Those are some kind of screwy trades. I'm just trying to see if I can trade on the fast chart. That's the thing. My water's in my way. Let's move it there. I'm going to try the fast chart. I think the fast chart just might be too crazy fast. And what I mean by that is the slippage would be probably almost a full bar. But I'm going to try it. That's what I'm here for, right? So I got my finger on the buy button. We are long. The opening drive got out almost at even. Sim 101, yeah, up 270. Wow. Wow, you just take your eye off the chart for a second. Order canceled. Okay, that was quick. Apex, somebody's in a trade. Flatten all. There we go. Wonderful. So at least I know how to use it. There we go. We did the flat and all again. That's what, 3 times already out of 4 trades with the copier. I had to use flat and all. Fuck. They should give me my money back. Oh, there's a lag, really? 36, 37. No, I'm not lagging. I don't seem to have lag. Are you talking about with the stream or with your quotes? No, I'm good. I'm feeling good. Can't you tell my voice? I'm full of energy. I'm bugging you. No, I slept good. I went to bed at 9 p.m. last night, guys. I got up at 7-ish. I'm well rested. That is a rare thing. I usually go to bed at 3, fall asleep at 4, and get up at 6. Okay, that didn't work out. That was a short-term trade on the fast charts. Let's try it again. That's another one. One of them's going to work, no? Okay, that one looked like it worked. I don't know. I'm just clicking the buttons when it tells me to click the buttons. I'm not thinking. I'm not thinking. I'm not watching. The only thing I'm doing is making sure the copier does its job. So far it failed 3 times miserably. Didn't even stress me a bit. I was prepared for what to do. The big fucking flatten all button. You can see it right there. I put it on the screen for you. See that big one at the top right corner? Flatten all. And I turn off the copier for that moment. Oh, got another short term. Oh, shit. Guys, I got to take this one for a little bit larger size. There we go. I'm out. Why did I take that one for a little larger size? That's a green bar. Did you see the red bar, the red background when I said it's short? Look what happened. Now I just got a green background. If you guys are ignoring that, that's to your own loss, to your own, I don't know what, but you're giving up. That's the good shit there, guys. That's the stuff I don't give away. The only reason why it's on the charts, which it probably will stay there, is because I need to notify about it. And how did I know it happened? Because there's an audio alert in my ears also. So if I'm audio alerting that trade, you guys know that's a special trade. That is a special trade. Let's mark it out. Oh, this is a good song too. Makes me want to go on vacation. I'll tell you where this is going to. This is going to 17,050. Without a doubt. Without a doubt. Boom, we just crossed it. Without a doubt. I told you, without a doubt. Don't mess with statistics. That's why I say I don't need context. I don't need any of it. I just need statistics. You know what machine learning is? Machine learning is statistics, and I'm not even using machine learning. I'm the machine and I learn. Wow, and I've missed some good trades. I should have passed all those 3 accounts already. I'm going to have a small potential trade here. I'll go buy market. Not crazy. Oh, no, I can't take it. Yeah, I can. I'll go buy market. Problem is, you know why I got out? The stop is no good. I need emergency stop large, emergency stop small. This is the wrong emergency stop, and it's fucking me up. It's fucking up my brain. So save as template. Emergency. What are we going to call it? Emergency large. And I need an emergency small. So save. And then what's small? Small is how much? It's, let's make it max. 20 points. That's 80. That's a lot. Anyways, it's an emergency. Emergency. Chop 10 points off. Emergency small. And we'll even make it in small letters. Save. Okay. Ah, shit. Fuck. I missed the trade. That's okay. See what I did? I got distracted. Did something else and I missed the trade. 12 for 50 points. I missed a 50-point runner. From 17,063 at 9:53 and 32 seconds. Okay, I want to try my emergency small, but you know what? The markets are going to be crazy tomorrow. I can get in for the emergency small. Go, 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 go. I'm just watching the other chart. Go, 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 go. Ah, you know what? Get it out. Cancel. That was bad. That was bad. Let's try it again. Let's see what this does. Push, push, as a famous person says. Already canceled. I don't know what it sounds like. The trade copier is fucking up. Okay, now I gotta go check the damage. Position's good. Order trader on. That's fine. We're all good. Everything is working with high frequency, fast in and out. So what's going on with the algo? The algo was short at 9:30. Stayed short bias until 9:48. So at 9:48, look at that. 2 minutes before I got the strong buy signal, which is completely different than the algo. It's one of my rarities. And that one also went long. See, the algo long at the same time. And I bet everyone was finding inverted fair value gaps and displacement and all that nonsense. Load. Morning. Load. Okay. There we go. All that stuff. Yes, it does work. But it's hard work. My brain doesn't. Good job. But it doesn't work for me. So don't give me flack. There are more ways to skin a cat, so to speak. That's an expression. Okay, it's not hard work. It's easy. It's hard work for my brain. Too many variables that you have to hold into memory and look and blah, blah, blah. You know, that's the part that's hard work. Because you guys are doing it manually. You know, I have a ton of variables too, but they're all programmed in. So I don't have to do anything like, you know, like this sell signal and this buy signal. That's not, hey, if there's a bullish candle, buy. There are variables that go in there that are based on statistics, looking backwards, looking forwards, real-time testing. Hey, you don't put up numbers like this and almost never lose in this kind of volatility if I'm following my plan. By accident. These aren't coincidences, guys. I can put up fucking insane numbers if I just had my head screwed on straight. And I know that. It's the head part. My good old friend James sent me a quote. Actually, he sent me two quotes. One quote, two quotes. One is, the monster is inside your brain or something like that. Or the monster you fear the most is between your ears. I don't know, something along those lines. Basically, your brain, your biggest enemy. That emotional fight or flight instinctive part of your brain. And then he sent me a link to an Arnold Schwarzenegger little blurb or something from a speech he gave or whatever. I think he was in his kitchen. I like Arnie. I think he's very smart, very well educated. Don't agree with his politics. I don't mean, at least his old politics, but that's another matter. I still love the guy. We all can have our own opinions about politics, religion, sexuality, do whatever you want. Just don't impose it on other people. Don't push it down people's throats and everything is good. That's all I'm saying. Wow, this thing is just fucking exploding, eh? That's okay. I have a good day already under my belt. Not that good of a day, but, you know, goodish, no? Still afraid to trade my PA accounts, but I'm going to take a 1 on the small and see how that works. Hopefully it works. Holy Christ. If you're getting 40 bucks on a 1 lot, look at that. The trade copier fucked up again. Ah, look, it's in the red. What a fucking piece of shit. Which account? Still long. Can't even see, fuck. 2 accounts. Those are 2 fucking accounts. Well, let's go back to flat and all. Fucking stupid piece of shit copier, huh? Can you see that? Can you believe that? Anyways, they're not fucking me up anymore. I figured out how to work around it. Oh, that's a solid trade. That was a trade for a 3 lot or a 4 lot or a 5 lot, and I missed it. If Alex was here, I wouldn't have missed it. That was a banger trade. That was a long at 280. We're at 330 like 12 seconds later. It's okay. Next one. Let's look at 70 points in the 1 minute candles. Ooh, I closed down my browser by accident. What happened? Okay, sweep on next. We are going to get us set up again. We got our other one there at 10 o'clock. Now it is 10:01. These are my long-term trades. You know what, guys? I said bigger size, but I got to where I want to be. Kind of, I think. Let me go check my account. It's like $300 on the 50K account, and I'm up 430. The fuck-ups are a little bit of a laggers, but I should probably start attacking other trades. No, and maybe I'll make. See, that's a money. I just wanted to make a decision based on a balance. Coach, where's my coach? My coach didn't come down. They're staying away from this volatility. I'll take a 1 lot if I can at a better price. And it's out already. There you go. That was quick. Oh shit. Wrong stop. It's the large. Come on, let's get down. I didn't hear anything. Oh, it's true. I have my cha-chings also, eh? I set up my cha-chings, my cash register. Oh, that would be cool for a 1 lot. Let me stop the copying. I want to do that. Where's my cash register? A 3 lot. I'm going to do the fun one. I'm going to really have a good fucking time today. I'm good. I did good already. Let's go to the 6 lot. Let's edit it. Let's make it a 3 lot, a 1 lot, a 1 lot, and a 1 lot. Save as template. Let's call it 3 lot. Fun. Save. Now let's pick an account. Save. Yes. Okay. What's going to be in a good account to do this in? Let's do it in practice. Let's get into practice trade. Let's see if you guys are going to hear it. Audio cha-ching. It says you're going to hear it. Okay, there we go. I got an entry. Film me. Film me, you fucker. Ah, we would have cha-chinged already. Shit. See how fast it is? And that's the kind of continuation I'm talking about. That's the kind of continuation I'm talking about. Goodbye. There'll be another trade. I'm ready for the cha-ching. Actually, I have conflicting signals. I have shorts and longs. I have long on my screens that you see on the 1 minute, definitely way higher swing high. And soon we're going to form a higher swing low. The algo is long, but the problem is my other charts are short. Oh, they just switched long. No, okay. That's 130. That's okay. I'm on the buy market. What's the spread? It's about a point. I can go long. Let's see. Ooh, it's fast. It's a 250K account I think I'm doing it on. Yeah, it stopped again. Okay, those are full losses. That's good. Oh, I gotta go to emergency large buy. Close, wrong size. Sorry, I'm gonna have a really good entry here, so I don't want to take it for the cha-chinger. Come on, let's go. I'll take that. Okay, it's not hard work, it's easy. That was good. Now I can do the cha-chinger. 3-lot fun. Ready. I'm ready for it. We're gonna catch a cha-chinger. Shouldn't be doing this. It was too fast for this kind of market. I need to increase the sizes. Maybe I should increase the sizes. What's the point? No, eh? There we go. Got my finger on the close button just in case. There you go. Oh, really? Wow, so it's not working, eh? Another cha-chinger. There we go. There we go. I'll let this one run. If I can get $100 on this, what's that, 50 points? I'm long at 03. 50 points is what? Is nowhere? I'll take that. Close everything. Still down 142. But now I'm going to get a really good trade. So I'm going to go up to a 6-slot emergency large. That's my emergency stop. I just entered by accident with this crazy mouse. So I have to get out, close, bring me back up to 6. And I'm ready. That's crazy mouse action, actually. Sorry about that. You just breathe on this damn mouse. One or both of my boys are downstairs. I'm not sure. The office is in business. The algo went long and took a profit. 231, got out at 288. That was a huge... Oh my god, look at the size of that winner. Oh no, sorry. 115, even 115 is good. Let me get in at a better price. Sell ask, just in case. There we go. That was a loser. Wow, look how fast. Even the loser's like insta-seconds. I'm waiting for... Oh, this is... Sorry, that was a trade that I shouldn't have taken. I'll admit to it. Is there a penalty on that trade? No, it was wasn't impulsive. I read the charts wrong. I thought it was a valid setup, so it was a misread. It's like reading a book and it says does, but you read it as doesn't. It wasn't the little monster in my brain saying jump in, FOMO or anything. So let's get back up to a 6-slot. I really don't know what size account this is, but I'm waiting now for a big trade. Actually, I could do can I do the fun trades? No, not yet. I need better momentum to do the fun trades. I don't even think... Okay, so right now I have short and long crisscross, so I'm waiting. I mean, my day is good, right? Solid numbers. Let's keep it that way. I like what I see. I'm going to get a potential short, but it's not a... Look at the strength in the market, though. I can't really say that's an A-plus trade, even though it's a trade on the charts. So I'm going to wait for a clearer signal. Going to wait for a clearer signal. I mean, I don't know how many trades I took already, but it's probably got to be way over 10. And I missed a shit ton of trades, so... Now I just got a fun trade triggered to the long side. Let's see if it goes up to 90. Oh, didn't take long, eh? Cha-ching! I want everything in sync. We are now all in sync for longs. And I can go up to a 5 lot because the emergency stop is in place. Ooh, we're so close to me not being able to take trades again. Shit, damn. 12, 56. If it goes down to 44, 44 asking if it holds. I'm sitting on my hands again. There we go. Come on, fill me. Oh shit, too many. Too many. Okay, let this one go. How far do we let it go? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll take it. Fuck off. Close. Fuck off. Can we use that kind of language? Fuck off. I'm going to say fuck off. You're going to give me that kind of gain like that fast? I don't even know what account I'm trading. Okay, that was a $400 trade in like 1 second. More power to me. Look at this run. PA. I still have 3 more apexes I haven't touched. I should trade copy those on low size. But I'm feeling good, and I don't want to dirty my record. I should probably even quit. Call it a day. Go for coffee with James. James, you still there? Since everyone abandoned me on a day when they're seeing market mastery at work, they don't even know how to recognize it. No problem. Whoa, see, normally I would have FOMO here. I have 0 FOMO. Okay, let's set it up for another 4 lot maybe. See if we get a fill. Boom. Get me in. Boom. Out. How's that for 200 bucks in like less than a second? I should probably be going for more. Alex would make me go for more. Let me do a fun trade. But you know what? I'm going to go to the fun trades. I'm going to change it to a 2 lot, not a 3 lot, because it's too fast for the fun trades. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to make it better. It's way too fast for the fun trades. So I'm going to change it to a 2 lot. Let's remove this. So now we have 1 and 1. Stop loss 84. Does that make sense? Wait, I got to do some calculations in my brain. No, 120. Ooh, that's big. And then 1/3 of that. We're going to bring this to 44 and 80. Okay, remember these are fun trades. Save as a template. We're going to call it the 10 Renko. I'm going to change my chart. Oh, no, I can't change my chart. 10 Renko. 3 lot fun. I need another Renko. 2 lot fun. Okay, how long does it take to create another Renko chart? Genius. But I don't have a runner. It's fun to have a runner. Okay, we're going to have 1 runner. This one's not going to have a profit target. 0. And we're going to set up a runner. Custom. Auto trail. 1 step. Profit trigger 45, stop loss 90, frequency 45, 10 points. Nah, I like that cash register to go bananas. How about 8 points? 32. That's going to cost me, you know that, eh? I know it's going to cost me. If you don't know that, I know that. Save as template. What are we calling this? 2-lot fun. Save. Yes. Okay. I'm ready for 2-lot fun. I'm going to choose. Oh my God. Look at these moves. 145 point average range in the 1-minute candle. We're crashing, according to Jim Cramer. I saw a guy that said a video. Said Jim Cramer is always wrong. Oh, now I got to change my thing because now I'm going to have a legitimate trade. So I have to go to emergency large and just change to a 4-lot. Oh shit, it just went short. No, I don't have a trade now. I have a sit on my hands. What the fuck? Okay, something's off. Do you know my my apex is showing 18,070 and my top step is showing 17,900? Hey guys! Alex David!
Just beginning. Remember writing verses late at night. Mama saying bye volumen. Now she's follow eyes so bright. Boulevard we're moving. Escucho el llamado del tiempo en cada nota que tiento. Mi sangre baila por dentro al ritmo del instrumento. Encontré nell'attico un sonido mágico, quella sto tossino moving sopra Mareko. Ancient more singing while my mind is ringing. Con este ritmo latino that keeps my soul believing. Melody ancestral, making my heart race shout. Feel it in my bones loud, as it do this sound wild. Cada movimiento takes me way back when no sito el momento. En glass and present blend flow. El sonido antiguo en mis venas. The rhythm flowing through generations. El sonido antiguo, leyendas. The music breaking all limitations. El sonido antiguo en mis venas. The power of my ancestors call. El sonido antiguo, leyenda. Towards the light and now we're falling. the strings vibrating, ancient sounds creating patterns in my mind now, legacy defining. These can make connecting rhythms that protect us, moving through the ages while tiempo me afecta. I guess I'm in my past now, making this our last now. Simple la magia, rising through the sound now. Every string I'm playing gets my heart praying. Para mis ancestors while the beat is slaying. Voices del pasado calling through time. Sangre, sonido, your story and mine. Antiguo, antiguo, through the ages we flow. Antiguo, antiguo, let the ancient sound show. El sonido antiguo en mis venas, rhythm flowing through generations. El sonido antiguo me llena, the music breaking all limitations. El sonido antiguo en mis venas, our my ancestors calling. El sonido antiguo me llena, there was the light and now I can sing.
La música se apaga. Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space. Just the wooden floor and memories of grace. Las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me.
Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado.
Dancing alone, the silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más, entre recuerdos perdidos. The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses, so what I'm looking for, mi libertad, in this quiet space, just me.
Baila solo, 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 aunque silencio orillado.
Listen on, with silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad, y en este salón torcido. Bailo solo, no necesito más, entre recuerdos perdidos.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgotten fables, despies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just they galore and everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. The freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right.
Okay, I'm back. Obviously, you can see that I guess Apex had a major fucking problem. A whole bunch of data is now gone. Going from we have a fair value gap from 17,200 to 17,700. However, I think we are back in. No, the quotes are off. Still off. Something's fucked up. Topstep is at 17,400 right now, or 500, and Apex is at 17,700. Well, I'm not trading that until they fix this, because wow, look at the volatility, 160. There's no trading this. Let me make sure everything is flicked off. All my strats are flicked off. Let's go visit some buddies. I guess that's the universe's way of telling me to stop trading, maybe.
Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space. Just the wooden floor and memories of grace. Las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me.
Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado.
Dancing alone, escenas by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más entre recuerdos perdidos. The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses, so what I'm looking for, mi libertad in this quiet space, just me.
Baila solo, 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 aunque silencio orillado.
Listen on.
17.5, 17.4, still way off. I have no idea. So you know what? Let me take a trade in. Let me take a trade in topstep and see. It gave me the price that the chart is on, so I'm gotta think that Apex is having a problem. That's a fast $400 in like 4 seconds, but that was on the practice account. So now let me try and take a trade on Sim and see what price I get. Actually, I'm going to hit, so I don't want to screw up Sim 101, Sim 102, and practice. Let's get buy market on both of them. So let's just confirm. Let's make it a 5 lot, so we're the same on both. Buy market and buy market, 5 lot. Practice, just make sure. Sim, everything looks good. 1, 2, 3, click. So I got filled at 611 and 679. They both filled at the chart price. Wow, so if I can figure out, this is crazy. This is crazy, makes no sense. Okay. Close. Thank God that was close. Flatten all. Got to get in. Got to get out. Gotta get in, gotta get out. The RDR is going to form soon. the real daily range, or as some people like to call it, the initial balance. Let's go to 236. I don't think, what do I want to use for my ATM? I have so many of them now. Emergency, emergency large, emergency small, emergency I can get rid of, remove. And that leaves me with 7 Renko 6 lot, 7 Renko 3 lot, fun, and 10 Renko lot, 2 lot fun. We can get rid of this one because I really shouldn't be doing fun trades. So we should just have one of them. And emergency large for now. We're going to do a 1 lot. I just want to check the quote servers because, again, it seems like we're potentially off. Right now it seems fun, but that was really, really weird. Maybe I'll do a 2 lot fun. Wow, the funds aren't allowing me to make any progress, eh? Tabarnuch. Yeah, it's too fast for the fun markets. Too fast for the fun ATM. There's no way it's gonna work. I think I just have to trade. I'm being stubborn. See, again, the brain telling me the wrong thing. Come on, make it work. Figure out how to make it work. No, fuck off. It's not working. Goodbye fun. Remove. There's no fun. It's too fast, the markets. I can't do fun. 150 point range. I can't do fun trades. Careful, all props do not have... Yeah, that's what I was saying. Guys, do you not see this chart here? I'm missing 10 o'clock. I'm missing 22 minutes of data. Somewhere 2 minutes behind. Yes, I was yelling that out there. But everything looks back in order, though. 17.5, 17.5. Yep. I swear to God, these guys, it's like they have servers of these shitty computers in their basements. It makes no sense. The amount of money they're taking in. The millions and millions and millions of tens of millions of dollars. And they have all these demo accounts on these shitty servers. Seriously? Yeah, a lot of people are reporting it now, so it's Tradeovate. I hope I don't get screwed and get my shit taken away because I worked hard for these numbers that are up on the screen. I missed the trade. I turn my volume off when I trade. It's too bad wives don't come with volume buttons, huh? Now I can hear you. Wow, that's a move and a half. That's almost 120 points like in a minute. That's just crazy, man. Wow. I increased my Renko box size from 7 to 12. I think I should go to 20. Seriously. I'm just going to take 1 lots. Oh. Oh. Now I can hear you. Pating, pating. Alex ignores me. Oops, for all my 1 or 2 watchers, show's over. You all missed it. I had a great day. Good for me. Too bad for you. I gotta go help my daughter with something. She's having a problem. It's kind of an emergency. So I'm out of here. And I will be back for the co-stream tonight with Joker at 7 o'clock, most likely. So tune in for that. Hit the subscribe, hit the like button. James. And James, I'll call you also. Maybe we'll go for a coffee or something. I have a lot of errands to run, but maybe I'll go for a coffee. We squeeze it in. Where do I got to go? Got to go to Costco. Got to go to the pharmacy. I hope you're still listening because you know what? Fuck off. I'm just going to call you. Goodbye, you. Goodbye, you. Minimize you. Go to my close screen. See you later, guys. Thanks for joining.